So in this Kraken tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy Celestia, ticker symbol TIA, on Kraken. Once Kraken's opened up, go to the bottom, press Explore, go to the top and press Search, and then type in a ticker symbol TIA. At the top it says Celestia, go ahead and press on that. Then go to the bottom right and press Buy. On this page, you can type in the amount of Celestia that you wanted to buy. So if you wanted to do $20 for an example, I would press on 20 and then press on the purple arrow on the right to go to the next page. On this page, you can review the amount of Celestia that you are purchasing, the price of it, the fee that you're paying, the total price that you're paying, the payment method, and if all looks good and you want to continue, go to the bottom and press confirm. So that is how to buy Celestia, ticker symbol TIA, on Kraken. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.